So, welcome to Storybook Land, friends. My name is Lizette, and I'll be your storyteller and captain for today. For your safety, friends, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times, and please supervise your little ones. Thank you. Now, friends, it may look like we are being swallowed whole by Monstro, the same whale that swallowed Pinocchio and Geppetto. However, our team folks teach us taking us into a magical land we like to call Storybook Land, so no need to be afraid. Because as Monstro's tale ends, our tale begins. Welcome to Storybook Land, folks. Our journey today begins with the story of the three little pigs, where they built their houses of straw, and sticks, and 100% guaranteed wolf-proof brick in hopes to escape the big bad wolf that is always trying to cause them all sorts of trouble. Just around the riverbed, friends, we travel down to see a quiet English village where the homes are Alice. For one golden afternoon, she follows that white rabbit down into Wonderland. If that's not your cup of tea, friends, we fly just across the way toward London Park, where the darling children follow Peter Pan and Tinkerbell all the way down towards Neverland. Many of our stories here at Storybook Land, friends, can be filled of mystery and enchantment, like the enchanting city of Agrabah, where the beautiful Princess Jasmine met the street rat Aladdin one day at a market. They fell madly in love, my friends, and now live in their whole new world in their beautiful Silken Palace. The beautiful artist, friends, yours right above you, happens to be the same one that Princess Jasmine and Aladdin flew over, sideways, and under on a magic carpet ride for their whole new world. And of course, happily ever after. But friends, as we all know, happily ever after always seems to come with its challenges. And for Jasmine and Aladdin, they had the Cave of Wonders, which is containing a cursed treasure, along with the very magical lamp, containing even more magical genies. Set of free, he may grant you 3 full wishes. Just around the corner, my friends, they come upon a little cottage. The same one Princess Snow White found in the forest running away from the evil queen. The cottage homes descended dwarves, and you might have to hear them whistling as they worked. When you turn the page, friends, to the story of Cinderella, upon the tallest mountain in that beautiful castle is where Cinderella attended the ball, friends. However, at the stroke of midnight, her carriage turned back to a pumpkin, which still sits up on the little bridge. To our left-hand side, my friends, we'll see these beautiful succulent gardens. They're inspired by the 1933 Silly Symphony's Lullaby Land cartoon. As you folks may or may not have noticed it, all of the little plants you see surrounding you right now are 100% real. And thanks to Tinkerbell and her magic pixie dust, these lucky little guys never have to worry about growing up, unlike the rest of us. And many of our stories here at Storybook Land, friends, can be filled with great fantasy, like our Alice in Wonderland, but they're also filled with fun-filled adventures, like the adventurous tales of Mr. Toadie Falls coming upon us on our left, where we'll be able to see Mr. Toad's Manor and Mole's Burrow. However, friends, it is very unlikely for these two to ever be home. They're always out for some great adventure. Speaking of great adventures, my friends, we make our way down towards the town of Arendelle, home to the two Queen sisters, Anna and Elsa. If you listen closely, my friends, you might actually hear Elsa singing in her ice palace. Traveling straight up ahead, my friends, we'll see Geppetto's Red Village, where he wished for his puppet Pinocchio to become a real boy and hopes for a son. The Blue Fairy happily granted that wish, my friends, happily making Pinocchio a real boy at last. And friends, our story today comes to an end with our final story, the story of the Little Mermaid, when Ariel wished to become part of our world. and lived happily ever after Prince Eric in that beautiful oceanside palace. Sadly, Prince leaving behind her underwater kingdom in Alaska, but she will be right behind the waterfall.